In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Vinted account, well, as a vendor, all right? First up, go ahead over to Vinted.com. Now in here, instead of clicking on sign up or login, just go ahead and click on sell now right here, or this sell now button right here, all right? Click on it. Now this page will pop up. Just go ahead and click on sign up right here if you don't have a Vinted account yet. Now, if you do have a Vinted account, you can just go ahead and select one of these options right here, which I'm going to do right now. All right, I'm just going to hit on continue and wait for the website to load. As you can see here, I am now logged in. This is the first page that you will face when you sign up for Vinted as a vendor. All right, you can just go ahead and click upload photos right here to upload the media of your particular item. All right, then go ahead and put the title right here. For example, white socks. Describe your item. Could be the material, color, and more. All right, you know what you will put in here. Now in category, just click on the drop down. If it's for men, click on men. If it's accessories, click on accessories and locate other accessories. All right. It could be unisex if you want to, just tick out the box. The brand, it's up to you if you wanted to select the brand right here. If it has no brand, just click on no label. Condition, click on the drop down. It could be new with tags, new without tags, very good, good, or satisfactory. In material, all right, you can choose up to 3 materials right here. It could be a cotton with a slight hint of, for example, mesh. Okay, then put the price right here. For example, it will be sold for about $5. Then select your package size. So socks are small. It could fit on a small, large envelope. I'm just going to tick on this one. And a bump item, if you want to, it's just basically an ad that will help you push this particular item to more buyers. All right. And once you're done, you can just save it as a draft. All right. If not, hit on sell now. All right. To set up your Vinted account, as you can see, we'll be able to see this page. If this doesn't pop up to you, click on the profile icon right here at the top right. Then go ahead and go to profile. All right. As you can see, you will be landed to this exact page. Now to edit your profile, we have the big edit button right here. Just click on it. Now, as you can see, you can go ahead and choose your photo. If you wanted to upload your own photo, for example, this one right here. All right, and wait for it to load. This is our photo and about you. Like say, for example, I strive to impress myself. That's it. Country, select your country right here. And also the town, for example, Chicago. Shows it in your profile, yes or no. Just go ahead and use this slider right here. If it's grayed out, it means that it won't show in your profile, and just turn it on if you want to show it in your profile. Then your preferred language, just go ahead and select one. All right, and once done, just hit on update profile. All right, as you can see here, I have just updated my profile. Now go into this section right here. All right, click on account settings. In here, you can go ahead and change your email and phone number. It is important to verify your phone number, all right? Then you can just go ahead and change your full name, select your gender, date of birth, and turn the vacation mode on and off. Link your Facebook. Well, you don't have to link Google if you signed up with a Google account, all right? You can just go ahead and change your password right here and delete your account. Now, in the shipping, here, you should add your shipping address, all right? Click on this one right here and add your shipping address. Once done, hit on save. And on payments, add your card right here as your payment option. And as a payout option, just click on add bank account. All right. Simply follow this simple prompt right here and hit on save. Going back in bundle discounts, if you wanted to add bundle discounts, can enable this one and choose whatever percentage you want. All right. Notifications, it's up to you if you want to change these settings right here. If I were you, if you are a vendor, you should enable the email notifications. All right, especially new messages, new feedback, discounted items, favorited items, new followers, and new items. All right, and just go ahead and click on the drop down right here and choose send me everything. Now here in privacy settings, if you want to download your account data, just go ahead and click on this one to request a copy of your Vinted account data. All right, this one will take about a month to process, so just patiently wait. And that's basically it. That's how you set up a Vinted account as a vendor. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.